Son, what is your name?
My name is Shehzad. And what is your name, Baba?
People call me Sheikh Chilli. My real name is Ranveer.
Son, where are you taking the goat?
I'm taking it out to roam around and graze.
All right, son. Is this goat from your home or did you buy it?
I bought the goat, Baba.
Where did you buy the goat from?
I bought it from the livestock market. Oh?
How much did you buy it for?
I bought it for 50,000.
Oh, son, that's very expensive.
Yes, Baba, it is expensive.
Do you have kids from it as well?
Yes, Baba, it has 2 kids.
Are the kids weak or healthy?
They are healthy.
Are they male or female?
One is male and one is female.
Will you raise them or sell them?
I will raise them.
All right. Does the goat...
How much milk?
1 pound quarter kilo.
Do you feed the milk to the kids or use it yourselves?
Some of it goes to the kids, and some we use ourselves.
Is that 1 pound of milk from both teats? Do you sell the milk or do you use it yourself?
We use the milk ourselves.
Do you make yogurt from the milk or drink it or make tea with it?
No, Baba, we make yogurt from the milk.
Do you eat the yogurt or do you make desi ghee from it?
We make desi ghee.
So you must be making about 5 or 6 kilos of desi ghee in a week?
No, Baba, we make about 1 to 11 kilos.
Oh, even that is quite a lot.
Yes, it is quite a lot.
You must sell the ghee in the market for 10 or 12,000?
No, I sell it for 5,000 per kilo.
Oh, even 5,000, so you must be rich then.
Yes, I thank Allah.
Sit down, son. Tell me about gout, the complete story.
Well, it all started when
What do you feed the goat, wheat or green fodder?
we feed it green fodder mostly, but sometimes wheat too. Baba, I'll tell you the rest of the story tomorrow. My head is hurting and the goat is also hungry.
Tomorrow. All right, son. Do come tomorrow and tell me its story.